Charlie Chaplin.
No, what? Okay. Well, hello, viewers. As you know,
Good.
I am here in Brussels. I'm in a place called Grand Place, which is the
Yes.
central place here in
Yes.
Brussels.
Charlie Chaplin.
And
Photography, yes.
there you go.
Yeah.
I just run into this guy who calls himself the Chaplin,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you do this job for a full-time job? Is this your
Yeah.
full-time job?
Yeah,
I
full-time
see,
job.
full-time job.
Yes.
So what do you do really? What do you do here?
Good.
You behave like Charlie Chaplin,
Yeah.
and then people give you some tips.
Yes.
All right. Do you speak English?
Yes, speak English, yes.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Well, guys, that's one of the characters here, or personalities here in the Grand Place here in Brussels. So whenever you come to Grand Place, be sure to check him out. His name is, look at the camera. His name is Charlie Chaplin. Well, that's his stage name. So be sure to stop by Charlie Chaplin and, say hi. Take a picture like I'm doing right now with him. Take care and thank you for your time. Thank you very much. I wish you good luck in your business. Take care. Bye. 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 Bye.